Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So last week I did this video, right, on these Tapcons. Very lengthy. Some of you guys don't like to watch a lot of videos with a lot of my talking. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys basically cut and dry, putting the Tapcon in. Not going to really tell you a whole bunch about it. If you do want to see and listen and hear all of the important things about Tapcons, you know, that are involved with the Tapcon, plenty of information on that other video. At the end of this video, I'm going to link it. And it should be down in the description also. But we're not going to talk a whole bunch. We're just going to show you. I'm going to tell you very briefly, very fast Tapcons. All right? I'm going to tell you two different things about them. First of all, we're going to be using this SDS drill on it. And we're also going to be using this heart drill. Now you say, why am I going to use a heart drill? Because some people, that's what they have. They have heart drills. And I'm going to tell you, I'm a firm believer that they're a good drill because I've used them and I like them. So anyway, let's get right into this. I'm going to sync this Tapcon with this SDS. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we're going to go. Now, 1/4 inch Tapcons requires a 3/16 inch bit. All right, that's what it takes. 3/16 for 1/4 inch. For 3/16 Tapcons, you need 5/32 bit. All right, we're going to be using a 1/4 inch Tapcon with a 3/16 bit. I'm going to drill 2 holes here in this block, which you can't see in the video yet. I'm going to sink it in here. Then I'm also going to drill with this, with a regular 3/16 Mason bit without hammer. The reason why I'm using this, it has no hammer. I said in that other video that I was going to show you, and I didn't. So today I am going to show you how you can use a non-hammer drill to drill a Tapcon into the block. Now, I'm going to bring it down here. You can see, we're going to start, and then we're going to finish this video out. As you can see, here's my Tapcon. This block has been used several times, so we're going to put the drill bit in here. We're going to put this battery in here. I'm going to drill you straight in here. Now, it's not very loud, but it is very loud, so just deal with it. There's no hole here, as you see, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drill in here with this SDS. So I'm going to go ahead and drill in here with this SDS, and I'm going to put a hole in here, and then we'll do it with the non-hammer drill. So here we go. Cover your ears. 3, 2, 1, contact. All right, that's how you do it. You just basically sink it. Now, like I mentioned before, you just go easy, boom, and you're good and you're tight. Now, let's talk a little bit about this bit. Let's go ahead and run this one back out. All right, yeah, so you can reuse Tapcons. Don't let anybody say, oh, you can't reuse them. I'll be damned, because you can. You just saw me do it. And you're going to see me again. So, this is a 3/16 bit. Yes, it's long. It's way longer than what I need, but it doesn't really matter. So, you see there's no hole here, so we're going to, see, nothing. So I'm going to drill in here with no hammer on 2, and we're going to punch it in here, and I'm going to show you that it'll go in. All right, now, I will tell you this, with just a regular drill, the hole will be tighter. But watch. Boom. Same thing. You see it firsthand. In and out. That's what the hamburger's all about. Where did that come from, guys? Where did that come from? Let's recap really quick, because this needs to be a quick video. All right? Some people will tell you that you need to use the right bit lengthwise for your Tapcons. I'm here to tell you it only matters on certain instances. So, you can drill as much as you want. I'm a firm believer in that. I've used Tapcons numerous times, guys, and have no issues. But you got to make sure that they are deep enough. All right, 1/4 inch Tapcon requires a 3/16 inch bit. 3/16 Tapcon requires a 5/32 inch bit. All right, that is what it is now, and it's not a drill bit; it is a Mason bit. If you really want to know all about the Mason bits, I'm going to show you real quick. It's got that little end on it. As you can see, if you watch that other video, see the little flute on it on the very end? I hope it's showing. On that other video, I went into depth. So if you really want to know poundage rating, shear rating, and all that, that is where you need to go back to. I will link that video right here. Click on it. I will see you in that video. If you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.